Welcome. Let's get started. The first step is to navigate to your Bit Integrations dashboard. Click on Create Integration, and choose WooCommerce as the trigger. Then choose a specific task name, like Customer Create. Next, choose HubSpot as the action. If you are using another CRM, select your preferred CRM instead of HubSpot in the action. Now enter your HubSpot access token here. Once the authorization is successful, click Next, and proceed to map the form fields. After mapping the fields, click Next, and save the flow. Step 2. Once the setup is complete, please fill out the WooCommerce customer registration form, and register it. Step 3. Now open your HubSpot dashboard, and verify that the registered information has been successfully received as expected. If the test is successful, your WooCommerce to HubSpot automation is now live.